Welcome to IDRS, our featured software that simply turns stock markets from a myth to a playground. Although point and figure made a lot of sense, still it only showed every stocker index by itself. There was something missing. How can we compare different options and figure out which was a better performer? We applied the most logical concept called relative strength, which enabled us to compare any two stocks or price-moving variables. We even didn't settle for comparing only two stocks. We further developed our system to compare any number of stocks or underlines against each other and rank them based on their performance. Each day became a tournament where all stocks compete against one another, and we're just monitoring these battles over the P&F charts. We are proud that the outcome of our system comes without any human intervention and completely opinion-free. It's all based on pure economics, the law of supply and demand, principles of technical analysis, some statistics, and simple mathematics. Let's take an example to see how it works. Google versus Apple. If we divide Google on Apple, notice which is the denominator and which is the numerator, and plot this new data on a P&F chart. It will show a movement in one of three possible directions, up, down, or sideways. If an upward move appears on this chart, that means that Google is outperforming Apple. A downward move will show the opposite. A sideways shows they are both equal performers. So, how can we compare more than two variables? Same concept. We made a score sheet and took scores of every stock against all the rest every day. Remember, the P&F allowed us to summarize every chart in 1 out of 4 positions, using the last signal, buy or sell, and the last stand, X or O. The stock that gained the most buy signal counts simply got the highest rank. If two or more stocks share the same number of B counts, we moved to count the X's, which was like the penalty. This theory has been tried from 2013 to the beginning of 2015, and here was the result. It was tested on a sample of 30 Egyptian stocks. It was done manually, so it took around 15 hours for one update, as we had to update 900 charts for comparing 30 stocks, so it could only be done on a weekly frequency. Now it's automated, and the system runs around 1 million daily calculations to compare around 1,000 stocks from 3 different markets to start with, all for you to display the results in seconds on your mobile phones, anywhere in the world. Subscribe now. Thank you.